Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A35, and today I will show you how you can import your contacts from the SIM card to the device. So to get started, let's open up our standalone contacts application. From here, click on these three bars and select Manage Contacts. From here, you want to select Import Contacts, choose where you want to import them from. For me, that's going to be my SIM card, and this will then display all the contacts that you have on your SIM card. We can now select all of them if we want to. Maybe you want to deselect some. Click on Done, and this will then ask you where you want to import those contacts to. Now, in my case, I have several different options. I have my Samsung account, my Google account, and also the phone. Now, for you, you might see more, you might see less, depending on how many accounts you have logged in. So select wherever you want to import those contacts to. So as an example, I'm going to choose phone, and then we can choose import. This will say that successfully imported the contacts, and now when we go back, we should have them visible right here. Now, the garbage contacts application from Samsung doesn't really allow you to categorize these contacts between accounts or phones, unlike, for instance, the Google one does. So you basically are forced seeing all the contacts from every place at the same time, and sometimes it might cause you to see duplicate contacts. In any case, to fix that, you might want to look into maybe downloading contacts by Google instead, which allows you to change locations where the contacts are being displayed from. So you can, for instance, display only from something like a Google account or your Samsung account only. In any case, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.